the island of Juke with our brother man Thai Fasayel. I kapongeri. Diro Kiro Wami. Let's go, Hudwa Malam, Mekengeri. Right now it's about 8 o'clock. Hold on, let me check. Let me check real quick. It's about 7:42, quarter till 8. We're on our way right now to go and set up the banner for Lelu Night Market. You're riding shotgun with me right now. Got the boys in front of me, riding that cargo. And so, you should be in the corner of Finpukal. If you're watching this, you already know Lelu Night Market is going down. It's the day before Lelu Night Market. You guys are coming down with me. You're riding shotgun this time. Okay, all you do. It's a good day. Just wanna come in here and say good morning. Do the routine now. Back to me. Yeah, sure. Who's this?
And who is it? And who is this?
That's it. Eh? Income tax.
Large white.
She got her hands on all the good stuff.
Good, good. The one white. Wala ka na sukat kung matas.
Oui.
Large, medium.
Okay, Allah, sige na din ko siya ay
Dahil kakapopol.
Righty.
We get all kinds of variety. Breadfruit leaf.
But then you stand on the crave, cuz.
Oh, Lelu Night Market.
Breadfruit, eh?
Look for Puerto Rican 10. Come on out. Breadfruit leaf.
Sakta na si Jacqueline dito.
Night Market. Tangan ko na siya ke Germany som. Alam pa sila yung mga tari. Ke meron daw. Ako ba vice lan meron niya na. 15 vice. Tangan ko na karo pagkat yung adik ko yung pa. Nakin sabay ako mga taga sakit pelas kita patik state sige para kata ki mom dito waya.
That's right. You heard it. You heard it.
Yeah, heard it. Ah!
Stage siya bagong takain magiging na ha. That's right.
Ako ko ya. As pa si kakit tuwe.
Man.
Man marketer leke resum sa was kita. Apa niya ko fan ba mo lang.
Night Market! Wait, banget na ka po!
아, 가오소고.
Hello.
Đó. Wait. Coordinate why? 완전히. 자, 이리 와주세요.
What's going on, folks? We have completed the center stage for tomorrow's event. We shall be back tomorrow morning at the Lelu Trading Center for the fishing tournament. They went out just now, and then they'll be back tomorrow morning, and then the tour will go out 6 o'clock and come back at 12 o'clock. Alright, I shall see you. If you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel so you can catch up with Brother here with Aaron Koshrai. Alright, shoot, you have yourself a good one.
How's the family?
Oh, they're all right. Just feel all right. Breathing.
How's life?
Main thing is good. Good.
Anything above ground is okay, yeah?
Yep.
No can complain,
Yep.
But, we don't want the life, what we can do, what? So tomorrow we'll get you about the kind,
The market stuff. Yes.
Yeah, the market.
I'll
Hey,
be
make
around.
sure you come, 4 o'clock.
Yeah, I'll spot you there.
4 o'clock, spot you there over there. Come check out the place, Holo,
Okay.
You
I
know.
might bring up something,
Oh yeah, we gotta come. Gotta bring something,
My goodness.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll spot
Okay,
you there.
I'll spot you later, Cash.
Alright.
Okay, shoot then, boss.